Hey, are you broke this Thanksgiving season and don't got money to go to any supermarket and buy expensive food to make for dinner?
We're gonna show you foods. Just how to get it done in the kitchen. Mexican bro style.
Yeah. Now you might be wondering, what are we making? Well, I am making gourmet Mexican chicken. Aaron is making some gourmet
Quesadillas.
Nicholas is making some gourmet. Hey, Mike, in editing, can you edit like a little fire like firme? It's probably gonna be text just saying no, nah. It's just welcome to cooking with the Sanchez Broz.
Wait, what did you say?
To Jurassic Park.
Alright, homies. About to show you what's good in the hood. About to show you what's up in the kitchen. Alright, first ingredient. We're gonna get, let's see what we have in the fridge. Cha-cha-cha-cha-ching. We don't got shit in the fridge, it's okay.
We got a lot of shit.
Shut the fuck up. It's not supposed to be like that. Alright, first, we're gonna get some firme tortillas.
Not sponsored.
Guerrero?
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
Yeah, not sponsored.
Future Mike, leave that out, please.
Alright, then we get some firme ass Monterey Jack cheese. Next we have some carne asada, homies.
Oh, you're going all out?
Oh yeah, firme, dog.
You get it really good. Eat my carne asada.
Ah, yeah. Alright, for the final ingredient. Are you ready? Check it, check it, check it.
Maybe a churro.
Ah! Some pinche takis. What? What's wrong with my takis? Check it out, check it out. The whole getup and everything. Don't make fun of my sweats. Looking good, looking good. Alright, now we're gonna warm up your meat. Cause while you warm it to the tortillas, you gotta warm up the meat first. Bam! Homie. You only put one at a time, cause you're gonna put the other one on top of the other. Alright, carne's done. Let's take it out, homie. Let's take it out. Put it on top. Oh, man. Oh, that shit like that. Oh, sexy. Oh, yes. Actually, I think I might make a molita better, Michael.
You promised quesadillas.
It's gonna be too fat for a quesadilla, homie.
Nicholas told you that, but you didn't listen.
I'm making molitas. Fuck that shit. Throw that shit out. Alright, I'm making some molitas. Look at my dick. Now, for the resistance.
I was promised.
You know
quesadillas.
what? Shut up. You're getting molitas. It's like a quesadilla,
But it's not.
Oh, yes. Oh, shit, man. Johnson Taki. Oh, yes. Perfect, perfect. Yes. Now press it down like this. Not too hard, because then the tortilla will rip. Yes, and you turn this a little up. Voila. Now we're gonna cook this shit.
A few moments later.
Ready, ready, ready. Se me cayó una taki, pero es okay. Ready, ready? ¿Qué pasa, homie?
Much later.
She's ready, homie.
¿Qué trae a ti to reveal?
And there you have it. Takis, carne molita. Oh, firme, homie. That's some good shit right there. You get all that? Did you get all that goodness? Oh my goodness, goodness, goodness. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Y'all ready? Taste the damn goodness, homie. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is fucking good. I don't give a fuck what you fucking say. This is some good shit. Shit, my takis are funny. Shit. Damn, molita. My looks so good. You want to try it?
Nah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Alright, homies. Ready to make some real gourmet shit? Go make some real gourmet shit right now. Now, that stuff that Aaron made in the last one, that required you to have tortillas, freaking carne asada, takis, all that shit. For me, you don't need it. You can have the most gourmet shit and you don't even realize it, because I know everybody and their mamas in their freezer got some dino chicken nuggets.
Where's the
I like how
texture?
we're all developing these accents. Okay, so first, what you want to start doing is actually you should probably defrost your shit, because you don't want to. Let me get a plate real quick. What the fuck? Why aren't you moving it over there, dude? My shit's fuck. My shit's caught up the thing. So what you need to do, it's on the bag. It says for every 4 nuggets, that's a minute. You know how long a minute is? 60 seconds. You know how long 60 seconds is? 60 seconds. But I don't know where I'm going with this joke. What you want to do? You want to grab your nuggets, put them in the microwave, and shit, how many of them were there?
I don't know. You fucking thought you counted.
Just
a bit.
I think it's 3 minutes. All right, and now we wait. For?
Later.
Okay, now our chicken nuggets are defrosted. Now your chicken nuggets are defrosted. I know what you're thinking. Hey Mike, can't you just eat them like that? Yeah, I know you can. Stupid. But we're making gourmet shit, okay? Your first step in making your gourmet nuggets. First, you turn on your stove. Put it on medium. You know, you gotta make the pan heat up a little bit.
Medium.
And then, what you gotta do is you gotta grab your handy dandy mazola. Con mazola, no está sola. What?
Sorry, that was a great joke.
So now that you got your nuggets all separated, you gotta get your seasoning. Now I know what you're thinking. Michael, what are you gonna put for seasoning for nuggets? Bam. Tahini. I know what you're thinking. That's not seasoning. Fuck you. I don't care. Gotta season those shits, fool. As you put them. Oh, you hear that?
Yeah, it actually smells kind of.
What?
I don't know.
What are you doing? What did you do?
Nothing. Ay! Fucking vergas.
Look at that. There's no food. Use this. Oh shit, I think they're already sticking. Fuck. Shit. Wait, hold on. I haven't even gotten to the best part. Okay, hold on. So what you gotta do is once they start cooking, right? Once they start cooking, flip them over. Put that sauce. Right. Sauce. And then sauce. And then when you do this one, sauce. I think the tahini fell off of them. Hey, you know what? Hey, it's just seasoning, okay? Sometimes when you put seasoning, it doesn't stay on the meat. You know? Shut the fuck up. Let those shits cook for about 35, 45 minutes. Okay, think they're done. Nice. Then you grab them, start putting them on the plate. Shit. Fuck. The sheets are looking. These shits are looking firme, dog. Alright.
Show him, I said show him.
And look at, there you go. With some tahini seasoning, you got yourself some nuggets. Oh, but you think we're done? We're not done, is it? We're not done at all. No, so what you do is you get your chicken nuggets and you get your tapatio bottle that's obviously there in your cabinet. Every Mexican household has some. Don't think so? Look in the back of the cabinet. Yeah, I told you. So what you gotta do is you gotta do like Guy Fieri. Yeah. You think we're done yet? We're not done.
What do you mean we're not done?
We're not done because you gotta add the flourish. You gotta add the flourish. You gotta add your sabritones, way. Gotta do it Nacho Libre style, fool. Dude, I thought that was him munching on. I thought that was him going. What? Look away! Mira, pim pam boom. You got your gourmet Mexican chicken nuggets. What makes it Mexican? I just added a lot of spices. Alright, let's go taste them. Alright, homies. Time to taste this shit. And get this one. This one's a little T-Rex. Remember, always, when you're eating dino nuggets, you bite the head off so they don't suffer. It's actually pretty good. It's actually good. Ooh, it's spicy.
Don't cry, is it?
Oh no, I'm not gonna cry. A little bitch. The sabritas does, or the sabritones do give it a lot of flavor. I taste that before I taste the chicken nuggets. They're pretty good. Not gonna lie. Next. Okay.
Just go like that.
Whenever you're ready.
Fuck.
Alright, so I'm about to make some wieners con huevo. And first thing you need is
Hey guys, your huevos.
don't come in here. First, you're gonna need some huevos. Get this piece of garbage. Alright, next one. We're gonna get your non-sponsored weenies. And you're gonna grab this big old knife.
Boy, I do need a big old knife.
Cut up your weenies.
Can't you just get a regular size knife?
God damn it, I cut it in half.
You're a bullshit bitch.
Alright. Yeah? I'm gonna go and I have eggs in my hand. Trying to cut it. Stupid plastic. I messed it up. So now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a fork now. And you're just gonna.
Hold on, Nick. Hold on.
Just go.
You can do it in any bowl.
I can't do it in this bowl!
Why not?
Cause I can't, look!
You're doing it.
Alright.
Just takes longer.
I make my own breakfast. I grab any kind of cutting board, wooden, or like this. Then you're going to grab your weenies, right? Bang! And you're going to do this. You want to line them up. And it's mentally not okay. You're going to put your fingers over here, away from the knife. You're going to start cutting.
That's just.
So basically, you want the Don't work with this one. Shine. You're gonna wanna, mix it around. Oh, damn it. A little bit too much. Put it back and go. Gonna mix it around. You new around here? See you smiling behind the camera. Yeah? Turn it around, Michael. Alright, so now you're done. So now you're gonna turn on the oven. Yeah. Just so we don't burn down the house. Alright, so basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab your Winnie's drink. You're gonna dump them in there, you know? Boom. Turn it higher. Ready? Alright, so now you can sizzling, right? Air especially. You don't want to move them around. Bam, that's pretty hot. So basically, you're gonna want to move them around a little bit. Keep them on high blast. See this right here? See this egg? Nice, beautiful yellow egg. We're gonna dump it on there and say,
Eat bet.
no, grab all your eggs, we're just gonna dump them on there. You know what I'm saying? Don't start to form, you know? Okay. Really. There you go. Now you just sit there. Just keep moving it around. And you, no matter what mine, grab a plastic plate or a regular one. If you want to. Mushroom. All of it, you know. Alright, let's see. So here we got some maíz con huevo. It's pretty good. Yeah. I see them putting in a little bit of flavor, you know. So I'm gonna grab some tahini. You know,
What are you looking at me for?
so we're gonna try it. We're not gonna put it on all of it. We're gonna try it because it might be nasty, you know. So we're gonna put it on a little bit.
You realize it's gonna fall on more of the stuff underneath it.
Okay. It's kind of weird.
How?
I don't know. It's like got the kick, like tahini, a little bit of spice, but me, I'd rather just eat the spice though.
Alright everybody, there you have it. You got your gourmet Mexican spicy nuggets. You got your
fucking Taki Morita.
and you got your
Winnie's con huevo.
the breakfast of champions, the lunch of champions, and the dinner of people with a death wish for their stomach.
Eat you right.
If you want to try these at home, I recommend you don't, 'cause
Probably die.
unless you say
I say fuck it.
Don't listen to Aaron.
So would anyone like to try my
I think you.
spicy nuggets?
Want to go after this? Alright.
Okay, not bad. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, leave a like. Leave a comment down below of what other things maybe we should cook next time. Or maybe we should do this as a show or something where we just cook stupid shit.
Or episodes.
Series.
I'm sorry,
If you're new, subscribe today for more content like this.
Kind of weird.
Some quality content.
Some quality content. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always,
Merry
see you.
Oh man.
It's too early for that. Alright,
Love peas, chicken grease, huh?
better. I don't want these, I'm not gonna eat these.
Throw more.
It's all about that cake bag. Oh.
Their lives. This summer, Wewble is
People
The US
died of radiation.
The U.S. military deployed Air Force.
No, it's